Don Wheeler was one of UnityPoint Health St. Luke's Hospital's first COVID-19 patients. The 58-year-old Vinton man went to the ER with shortness of breath on March 23rd. He has been at St. Luke's ever since.
I thought I might have had pneumonia or something, but evidently I didn't. COVID entered my mind a couple times, but I just really couldn't get myself to believe that I had it.
Judy Hubler is a nurse and also the unit secretary on St. Luke's COVID unit. Wheeler was like many of the COVID patients they care for.
They're very sick. They need a lot of cares, and it's very frightening, I'm sure, for them and lonely because there's no visitors. And they need lots of high concentrations of oxygen. They need special, like if they have, if they have pneumonia, they'll need special antibiotics, but they need lots of special cares.
I was pretty scared because I've never been this sick in my life.
I was there when he was first intubated. It was our first COVID intubation. I was just trying to tell him, you're in the best care possible, everything's going to be fine, we'll do everything we can to make sure you get off this vent and are safe and healthy when it's all said and done. And mission accomplished.
Wheeler did get off the ventilator, and he spent the last week in St. Luke's physical medicine and rehabilitation, recovering and getting ready to go home.
I'm still weak, but I'm getting there. I'm up walking. These people are just absolutely great. Couldn't ask for a better team.
That team and many others who cared for Wheeler gave him a special send-off.
A lot of people. You think of, the nurses, the occupational therapists, the physical therapists. You have the hospitalists, and you have you've got so many people. You have basically, our charge nurses, our supervisors, our managers. Everybody is an integral part.
It's almost like running a marathon. When you get done, it's hard to do it, but once you get there, it's a great feeling.
It just makes what you've done and took part of that care. It makes you it's so rewarding inside you to see that. And that's why he became a nurse.
And why so many of St. Luke's team members came to wish Wheeler well as he left for home.